Hey, if CapCut keeps crashing while rendering your videos, yeah, that's super frustrating, but don't worry. I'll show you how to fix render engine crashes so you can export your projects smoothly. First, make sure you're running the latest version of CapCut. Render engine crashes are often caused by bugs in older versions. After updating, restart the app and try rendering again. Next, make sure GPU acceleration is enabled. Go to Settings, Arrow Preferences, Arrow GPU Acceleration, and turn it on. This can prevent crashes by offloading rendering from the CPU to your GPU. Outdated GPU drivers can cause the render engine to crash. Go to your GPU manufacturer's site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your card. Restart your PC after updating and try rendering again. High-resolution projects or extreme frame rates can overload the render engine. Try lowering resolution from 4K to 1080p or reduce frame rate from 60 frames per second to 30 frames per second. Other programs using CPU or RAM can trigger crashes. Close unnecessary apps while rendering, and make sure you have enough free memory on your PC. So yeah, updating CapCut, enabling GPU acceleration, updating drivers, lowering export settings, and closing background apps usually fixes render engine crashes. Try these steps and your videos should render smoothly.